Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and it's my goal in life to have a purse for every outfit that I own. Something that's helping me reach that is this super cute bag that I got from KouLi Buir. It has boho cowgirl vibes with this amazingly long fringe. I just love the way it moves as I move, and it makes for a really cute silhouette. I got the dark brown color, and this is made out of PU leather. It's a really nice thick material. It comes with a shoulder strap, but actually I found one of my favorite ways to use it is as a clutch. It looks so cute tucked under your arm or just in your hand. And I found that the best way to close this so that the fringe doesn't get caught is to kind of whip the lid up as you're closing it, and then that gets the fringe out of the way. This bag actually holds quite a lot. It has two inner pockets, one with a zipper. Things stay in really securely. And I love that I can hold all of my necessities plus some without it being overcrowded and heavy. This even comes with its own dust bag so that when it's not in use, it still stays looking nice. I think you're going to love using this bag as much as I have, and that's my point of view.